I'd like to talk about our recovery cream, Sour Cherry. It's a cream that's formulated to help accelerate the recovery of skin from the rigours of sport and exercise. The feedback we got from athletes often was that their skin got very stressed in sport, particularly outdoor sport. Their skin's subjected to the sun, the wind, bruises, grazes, chlorinated water, chafing, blisters, irritation from clothing or equipment or sports tape, and even exercising in air-conditioned environments has caused skin dehydration, and sweat left on the skin can also cause inflammatory and sensitivity changes as well. So the brief for us was the skin gets stressed during the sport, and can you do a product that will help the skin recover and repair quickly for the next session? And the product needs to be soothing, it needs to help repair, it needs to hydrate, it also needs to be a touch relaxing. And so we put together this recovery cream, and it's been a terrific success so far. So there's a number of ingredients here that will help, and the first one is our hero ingredient, which is sour cherry. So sour cherry is well known as an accelerating muscle recovery ingredient taken orally, but it's also a powerful skin treatment, boosting skin barrier function, reducing redness, and also inflammation. So we've got sour cherry in the product at a reasonably high level to really help let the skin repair, settle down, and get ready for the next session. We've also got a trio of omega-3, aloe, and niacinamide, which is a form of vitamin B3, which also helps soothe and possibly protect against sun damage as well. So if you have been out in the elements and you have got a little bit sunburnt, these three ingredients will kind of help with those. Allantoin is another ingredient we've got in there. This is a very powerful ingredient that can reduce irritation and possibly even scarring. And it's talk that it may accelerate wound healing to some extent as well. Arnica is included in this cream. Arnica is often used for sprains and bruises, but it also can help soothe as well. We've got shea and cocoa butter for softening of the skin and also to seal in moisture. Both these butters have also got some anti-inflammatory properties as well. One of the main things that we're keen to get across with this product though is it doesn't contain any menthol. So this is a recovery cream, it's not a cooling cream, so it doesn't really feels fresh and nice, but it actually doesn't kind of actually cool the skin down like some other products on the market. So there are two ways to use this product. The first is a general application method. So this is for people who have got dehydrated skin, sun or wind exposure, or you've been in the chlorine for a while. So to use it like a moisturising cream, shower first, dry off properly, and then apply it generously to your arms and legs and your body, wherever it's kind of you need that skin to be replenished, recovered and repaired. Then there's another method of actually like the spot application. So if you have areas that have been chafed, or you've hot spots on the way to being a blister, for instance, tape cuts, you've got minor grazes or scars that need healing up, or when just a generally skin soothing effect is required to a small area, then you can use this cream for that as well. Only about half a teaspoon for a small area, so that's about 2 or 3 mils, and just gently massage into that area that's affected. We get a couple of questions about this product often. The first is this a pain relieving cream for sports injury? No, it's not. This is not a pain relieving cream. This is a cream formulated to help repair and recover skin. It's not there as a topical analgesic. The second question is that can this be used as a massage lotion? And yes, it can. Like, you can definitely kind of rub the cream in. It'll take maybe 30 seconds to a minute to kind of rub it in like a moisturising cream, for instance. If you'd like to kind of use it more ongoing, as like doing some self-massage or some partner massage, then we'd suggest combining it with our classic massage lotion, and you can watch the video on that on another page.